Hey everyone, this is Shubham and welcome to one more JavaScript tutorial. So in this quick hacks of JavaScript tutorial, JavaScript series which I've started. So I'll discuss something more today. So let's create some object. So yeah, I'll create an object. Well, I'll say there's something called course, which is JavaScript. I'll say quick hacks. And I'll create one more which is gonna have a few more values. That is gonna I'll say available at, right? And this available at would contain, suppose, where I'm just posting it's like platform one. That's gonna be IT and platform two is gonna be suppose Udemy or anything, right? So now we'll discuss like the ways to fetch out the value from this particular object that we have created. So one way is pretty simple using dot operator. I'll say, hey, what's the course? Can you get me the course? You would say, hey, why not? I'll go with detail.course and it will print me the same thing. And how? Let's console.log it. Right. Oh, sorry. I should have kept it open. See, these are the previous value. Just ignore them. This is JS. It is returning, right? Suppose, so yeah, Control Alt N again. I'm gonna do Control. And it's returning JS. Now, suppose I would say, hey, I wanna return this course. Okay, so this is one way. Another way of doing it is gonna be pretty simple. Another way, what you're gonna do, you're gonna write something like this, and you will say, hey, give me available at, and give me the type as well. And from where? From the details. Right now, what you're gonna do? You're just gonna print this. I'm just gonna go. I'm just gonna say console.log, and I'll say, give me available at. Do Control Alt N. It will print, hey, it is available on YouTube. It is available on Udemy. So these are the two ways you can fetch out the value from one particular object, right? This is one quick hack. Let's go to another hack. Another hack I want to talk about array handling, and array we've been handling a lot, right? So let's talk about shorten array. Shorten an array means suppose I'm gonna create one array, and I'm gonna say here. This contains value 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Seems big to me, right? I don't want big array. I want to shorten it down. Nothing to worry about. You're gonna say, hey, array.length convert into 5. I just need 5. And now when you print this particular array, it will be slicing your array to that particular 5th index. You wanna see how? I'll print this particular value and you'll see. It is printing the 6th only. That means those 5 index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? It has printed those. It has shortened the length of your array. This is how you can shorten the length of your particular array. This is one of the quick hacks, which is pretty important in JavaScript. Other things like, let's talk about our if condition. Okay, so generally what we do is like, if something is true, go inside it, and whatever method you have created, all that, right? If you want to shorten it down, you have pretty much simple thing, which is there in our Java as well. If you have gone through with Java related stuff, the operators, the AND operators I'm talking about. So using AND operator, how you gonna do? Pretty simple, nothing to worry. It's just a very simple thing. You will say, hey, give me true. And if that is true, call me this method as well. See, this is pretty simple over here. So if conditions, you can handle using this stuff as well, which is ampersand operator. Another thing I want to talk about this question mark operator. One thing about these operator, it deals only with null and undefined values, nothing more than that. Now, how it works and what it works. If you say, hey, null, then give me or print me or give me anything simple, it would do for you, right? It would do for you. If you say undefined, it would work with that. It would say, hey, give me the sample one. It would work for you. But if you're gonna say, hey, a one and question mark, and then if you'll ask it to work with you, it won't. So just think about it. This operator works with only null and undefined. Let's talk about some more quick hacks. So we have talked about conditions. We have talked about question operators, if conditions. One more hack I have. Okay, yeah, it is pretty important, which is array duplication, right? So suppose somebody asks you, hey, provide me a unique array. So remove duplicated value. Duplicated values in an array. Pretty simple. Pretty simple 2 or 3 line of code I'm gonna give you. I'll say, hey, where array one, create an array 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. See, all those values are duplicated, right? 0 is 2 times, 1 is 2 times, 3 is 2 times, 4 is 2 times. Suppose I'm gonna go 5 3 times. Okay, so you guys to learn about it. Now I'll say, hey, I'm gonna create a variable. I'll say unique array. Give this variable a name unique array. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna create an Angular braces and you will write dot operator this 3 times, right? And using this particular thing, you'll call new keyword, and you will create a pool. In that pool, you'll call give me set. A set, what is the thing we know about set? There's a difference between list and set. What is the major difference? List allows duplicate, set does not allow duplicate. That's the major difference, right? That is what we are using set here, and in set we will pass our array. Now we have passed. Now when you print this array, unique array, you'll find that only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be printed. You wanna see that? Control Alt N. Something is different. Okay, yeah. So this method we have not. Okay, so this is just for demonstration. I'll comment this out. Yeah, let's run it. Control Alt 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has like remove the duplicated value for you. Like suppose you want to see more example, I'll give you more examples. Suppose 4 is 4 times, not 2 times, not 3 times. Control Alt 10. It is still will remove the duplicated stuff from your array. So yeah, this is one more quick hack section of JavaScript, and I'll be keep on coming with these kind of sessions for JavaScript to help you guys through it, which is pretty important for our automation, for our day-to-day tasks, or for our app development as well, right? So see these details. How you gonna fetch those details this way and this way? There are 2 different ways, and then you can like cut your array in a half of the length, whichever length you want in. You can use the ampersand operator for your if condition. That was the same way we have in Java. Then question operator as well, then duplicated array. So these are the things we have discussed. In the next lecture, I'll come up with few more quick hacks of JavaScript. Till that time, thank you so much, and please provide your feedback.